Hello, in front of me I've got LAMZU Thorn. In this video I'll show you how to create and assign macro. In the beginning, let's go to LAMZU app and now go to macro. Here select automatic insertion delay, default time delay, cycle until key released, pressed, and until this key pressed. Then you can select times of cycle and insert action. Now create new macro, name it, and start recording. Here are the recordings of your mouse. Now select stop recording and save. To assign macro, go to button mapping, select macro, and select your macro. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.